गर्म होने लगा है. Thinking I'll open these and let the wind flow and blow inside. Okay, we're good to go. Alright, so this is the day the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Amen. Today is a good day. How's everyone doing? I really do hope that you're doing well. So आज मैं निकला हूँ काम पे. Been working from home for a bit. Was unwell in between. फिर उससे पहले like in mid-July मेरा एक accident भी हो गया था. It's like very heavy rains and stuff, right? So yeah, I was not able to see the road clearly. There was water. This is around JVLR. For those of you who don't know, JVLR is it's in Mumbai. You know, it goes out from the Eastern Express Highway, crosses over to the western side. So on the JVLR there's a lot of metro work going on. तो एक सेक्शन पे पूरा बैरिकेड, मतलब सेंटर ऑफ द रोड पूरा बैरिकेड करके रखे. And some of those areas, you know, it follows the curve of the road, and some other areas it will move more into the road because it has to, you know, probably that's a station area or something like that. But ये concrete road का बीच में ये line जो दिख रहा है ना, it was like that in that area. So if that is not even, that can cause problems, and I learned that the the obvious hard way, because it was not even and there was water flowing over it, so you couldn't really see what is the road surface like. And there was probably a difference of about 1 inch. मतलब ये slab नीचे था और ये slab थोड़ा ऊपर था, और शायद 1 इंच का कुछ तो फर्क था. So what happened was, I was just trying to go from one side, you know, from one slab to the other. मतलब मैं ऐसे बस एक slight left, you know, and I just leaned into that left. लेकिन क्या हुआ था कि because of all that water flowing over the slab, I didn't have any grip in the front. तो वो, instead of it climbing over that 1 inch or whatever, it just slipped on that. ऐसे slip हुआ, and whoop, you know, we went down right in the middle of the road. Right in the middle of the road. Thankfully it was like a heavy downpour, so traffic was slightly slower, and मैं fast भी नहीं जा रहा था. I must have been at around like 30-40 max. But गिर गया. So it was just weird the way we fell. The crash guard that's stock, you know, that's provided by Yamaha, that took the brunt of it all on the left side. वो पूरा bend हो गया था. For the moment I've just straightened it out, but I'll have to replace that crash guard because now it would not have that structural rigidity that it once had. Rigidity. Right? It would not have that structural rigidity, and if we fell, you know, that's prone to bending even faster. It won't be able to really take the fall properly. तो काफ़ी कुछ डैमेज हो सकता है अभी. And yeah, so गंदा सीन though. I thankfully, by God's grace, I did not have any injury. I mean, I bumped my shoulder, my head hit the road, but I was wearing the helmet, so yeah, I mean, it was protected, completely protected. I thank God for that. I really thank God for that. So all I'll say is, guys, ride safe, yeah. It's scary when it happens. It's scary for you. It's scarier for family, right? Scarier for them. So just be safe. As Augie says, it's a jungle out there. Look at the chimney. It looks so cute. It does look bigger than the espresso, but it's a small ride, alright. Looks nice. Looks nice. I think will make for a decent 4-seater. Okay, so in other news, my brake pads were completely worn out. Like they were freaking flattened out. So got those replaced, and I'm going to test out for the first time. I'm going to try, a different oil for the engine. So I've bought the Castrol Power One Ultimate fully synthetic 10W40 oil. Everybody keeps recommending that we go for Liquimoly 10W40, but that's like freaking pricey, man. $1,400 for a liter. So Castrol's supposed to be good, so I figured I'll just test that out. So yeah, I've bought it. I've not yet put it. I'm waiting for the weekend because I'll try and get the engine oil changed. I'll try and get it changed and see how it is. So test karna. I want to see what's, how much of a difference does it make. Is it really tangible or not? Can you put fully synthetic oil in the FZ25? Well, according to a lot of stuff that I've read online and interacted with folks, yeah, apparently you can. It has to match. Okay, it has to match certain specifications, like there's this thing called ASI or something. ASI, that's American Standard something. So they have the certain grades, goes from SA till I think SP right now, and the kind of oil that we use in our bikes is grade SL, and this Castrol oil is SN type. So all of that generally means it's better viscosity and stuff like that, better lubrication and all of that. You can't use a lower grade where a higher grade is required, but you can use a higher grade where a lower grade is accepted. In other words, if a bike is supposed to have SN type oil, you cannot put an SL type oil. It will not be suitable. Okay, but if the bike accepts SL type oil, you can use SN type oil also in it. It will work. Right, so it's generally backward compatible. So that is one thing. And then there's this other grade called JASO type MA and stuff like that, and this oil, it fits both those categories properly. So yeah, on those counts at least, yeah, the oil would work. Okay, so this is of course JVLR. Trying to find the spot where I fell at. Let's head not over here. But you can notice all these barricadings and all that, kind of what was there. think it was over here. Yeah, it was here only. See this side of the road, the paver blocks, it's down low, right? As this thing curves, there ही गिरा था मैं. It was scary when it happened, very scary. Very scary. You know how many people came to help me when I fell, or when I got up and lifted my bike? No one. Why? Because I could get up and lift my bike, so didn't really need help. They've all probably, you know, stuck in the premium rush, trying to rush to office, rush hour traffic. Okay, it's 7999. We are less than a kilometer away. Oh no, that rush to the 8,000 kilometer mark, it's maddening. नहीं काय का रश, कुछ भी nonsense. But yeah, we're almost there. 7999 is where we're at. If I end up taking off the camera before then हो गया. Okay, I'll really have to put off the camera here now. We'll go the long way around, because why not, right? Yay, and we touched 8,000. Woot woot. Yay, congratulations everyone. Oh, all of you who were with me on this long ass journey of touching 8,000 kilometers. But yeah, 8,000 kilometers, that's good, that's good. Miles to go, lots of miles to go. Alright guys, I'll catch you all much later. Take care, peace.